Hey everybody, I'm Bradley here with Ink Stores, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install TritonCORE's Pro Rigidcore vinyl flooring. This new product is ultra durable, waterproof, and features realistic wood looks and textures. Plus, it can be installed on any level of your home, from the basement to the bedroom. Best of all, it's one of the most affordable vinyl planks on the market. So what makes TritonCORE Pro vinyl planks one of the easiest flooring options to install? It's all thanks to its interlocking tongue and groove system. Even if you don't have any experience installing flooring, you can easily snap these planks together on your own. That's what makes this product so popular amongst DIYers. So let's get started. First, you'll need to acclimate your new flooring to the room. Let it sit unwrapped for at least a full day so it can expand or contract as it adjusts to the new environment. Once that's done, it's time to install. Here are the tools you will need. You should remove all furniture and baseboards at this point. Begin by making sure that your subfloor is dry, clean, and level without any structural issues. An existing flat, hard surface like tile, vinyl, or low pile carpet can remain. However, high pile, plush carpet needs to be pulled up and covered with 1/4 inch plywood, and tile flooring with wide grout lines needs to be filled in or removed. At this point, for some flooring options, you will need to install an underlayment. This sublayer provides insulation and some soundproofing. Fortunately for you, the TritonCORE Pro comes with a pre-attached underlayment, so you get to skip this step. Next, find the width of your room. Divide that number by the width of your plank. This will tell you how many rows of planks to install. That final row needs to be at least a half plank wide. If not, you'll need to cut down on the width of your first row of planks to allow more room for the last row. Use your spacers to ensure there's a 1/4 inch expansion gap between the wall and the planks. Set the first plank in the corner of the room. Place the plank so the tongue side faces the wall. Continue the first row by pressing the tongue of the next plank into the seam of the first, and lock them together by laying the plank down. Keep adding on until you finish the first row. When you need to cut a plank coming up to a wall, measure the space and mark the plank where you need to cut. Remember to account for the expansion gap. To cut a TritonCORE Pro vinyl plank, it is best to use a table saw or a tile cutter. This is the easiest way to get a clean cut through the stone composite core. If you do choose to cut your planks with a circular saw, use a fine-tooth blade and go slowly so you don't melt the vinyl. Continue laying the flooring. Use any leftover cut ends to start the next row, as long as they are at least 6 inches or longer. This will stagger the planks and give them a more natural wood floor appearance. To install the second row, insert the tongue of the long side into the groove of the first row. Set the plank into the previous row at a slight angle at first. Then tilt the plank down to ensure it clicks into place and interlocks. To remove any gaps, use the tapping block and rubber mallet to tap each piece into a locked position. Continue moving across the room, ensuring that the planks are interlocked and all of the seams have a tight fit. Once the final plank is placed, you can reinstall your baseboards along with any doors or furniture you removed. Add transition strips as well if needed. And that's it, you're done. Did we mention that TritonCORE Pro is great for homes with pets? Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more DIY installation videos, or check us out on our website and we'd be happy to help.